welcome to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. As you can see by the title, I'm going to be doing another look using the Jasmine palette. Just in case if you have not seen this palette or you're not aware, girl, where have you been? This is from Beauty Creations. This is their newest palette. I will put it closer to you guys so you can see the colors. As you can see, this palette is amazing. There's so many tones and I'm so excited to do this simple glam for you guys. Now this is more towards people that do not like to wear a lot of makeup. This is super cute, super simple, and if you like to wear a lot of makeup, just adjust the colors, make them more vibrant, make them pop, add your lashes, and you're good to go, honey. You are good, you are set. Let's do this Christmas, let's do this New Year's looking popping. Okay, if you're new to the channel, what's up, girl? My name is Irma. Everybody calls me Irmita, so you can too. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And without further ado, guys, let's jump right in. I didn't show this in the clip, but I went ahead and I primed my lid with the LA Girl concealer in porcelain. As always, I like to take a clean brush and make sure everything is well blended. Now, when it comes to metallic shades, you can always use your finger or use your favorite brush or a packer brush if you don't know what brush to use. Also, keep in mind that when you wet metallic shades, they will look more vibrant and they will pop more. It all depends on your preference. If you want something more softer, go ahead and use a brush. Or if you want to really go all out there, use them wet and use your fingers. Now we are on to the wing eyeliner. If you don't want to do a blue wing, guys, always make this look to your preference. You can go ahead and do a black one, a dark brown one, or if you don't want to do a wing, go ahead and just take a color and smudge it on your top lash line. Or if you don't want to do that, don't do it. Always adjust these looks to whatever you feel comfortable with. I love the look of a blue wing with the gold and the shimmery tones. So that's why I applied this, but if you don't want to, go and adjust it to your preference. And just in case if your wing doesn't come out as sharp as you would want it to, always go ahead and take a Q-tip and some makeup remover and make it as pointy or as sharp as you want. I also took some concealer and I went under the wing to make it look more defined. Since I'm not going to be using falsies, I will be curling my lashes for about a minute straight and then adding any kind of mascara. I will be adding around 5 to 6 coats. I know this all sounds crazy, but trust me, guys, it will make your lashes look beautiful. And this is the final look. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Girl, I love this. I really do. I need to stop playing around. I love this look. It's so pretty, elegant, and a little edgy because of the blue eyeliner. Now, if you don't like blue eyeliners, you could always do a black, a brown, or even if you want to do like a red, or you can even do like the glitter liners like I did in my other video, which if you have not seen it, I'll leave it around you if you want to go ahead and check it out. And if you don't want to do this look with an eyeliner, always adjust any look to your preference, guys. Don't forget about that. Also, this lip, love the lip, by the way. I will show it to you guys. It's this one from Beauty Creations. It's in the style BFF. Such a pretty tone. I feel like this tone goes with a lot of looks. Also, if you don't have that tone, just in case if you don't, I have another option for you guys. It's this one from Beauty Creations, and it's the Golden Girl shade. Very pretty color. This goes with any look that you do. Also, I have another one that's a little bit cheaper. This is from Kiss. Super huge. I've been using it for weeks and weeks, almost every single day, and it still has a lot of product. I got this for like $2, $3 at the beauty supply store. Such a pretty shade. I actually think that they look identical on the lips. So super pretty colors. Also, if you want something more on the nude side, I have this Hi-Fi Shine from Urban Decay. It's in the color Fuel, and it looks like this. Of course, I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. And it's a really pretty color. Also, it gives like an icy sensation on the lips, which I really enjoy. And then I have two more shades for the people that like to wear darker colors just like me. This one is from Beauty Creations. It's in the color Dropping Hints. And this one is the shade Boss Up. They're both matte liquid lips. And I'm going to swatch them. So the first one is Boss Up. And it's this one. I love this tone. I mean, I love every single tone I show you guys. That always happens. I always say I love this and I love that, and I always like them all. And then this is Dropping Hints. Such a pretty color. You can even take these two and do a wing. Like I always say, adjust them to your preference, guys. Always make the look feel like you. Don't do something that you don't like. You know what I mean? I know you know what I mean. And like I always say, if you have any questions for me, go ahead and DM me on Instagram. I'll leave it around here. If you do this look, don't forget to tag me. I always like to post you guys. And if you have any question, you could leave it in the comments and I will always answer, of course. I'm always here to help. Don't forget that, okay? Also, if you have not subscribed, go ahead and do it. And thank you to everybody that has been subscribing. Now, I do want to ask you guys a question. If you guys want to see more looks using the Jasmine palette, let me know, because I still have a lot of looks that I want to do for you guys, but I don't want to bore you with the same palette, because I know the palette is not everybody's cup of tea, which is totally understandable. Not everybody can like the same thing. I have a lot of palettes, I have a lot of looks in mind, but I could always use different palettes, you know what I mean? So if you want to keep seeing Jasmine looks, let me know. And if you don't, go ahead and tell me. I'm always here to talk to you guys and to listen to see what you guys want. So that's about it for today, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you rock this look. I'm pretty sure you guys are going to look fabulous like always. And I will see you in my next video. Bye for now. Live open, vividly,